So today I'll be showing you how to download Google Chrome on your MacBook Neo. So first thing you want to do is open the Safari browser because that's the only browser that comes pre-installed on your Mac. So in the search bar at the top, just type Chrome or Google Chrome. So that should open the results and you should see the Google Chrome page on the google.com website. Okay, so it's going to be google.com/Chrome. So that's where you can find Chrome. The website will automatically detect that you're using Mac OS. Okay, so it's going to prepare the correct download for you. All you have to do is click on the download Chrome button and it says, do you want to allow downloads on google.com? Click on allow and that's going to begin the download process. You can track it right here. Now with the download complete, all you have to do is close Safari and then now you can go to Finder and navigate to the downloads folder and you should see Google Chrome.dmg. So that's the executable file for Mac. So you want to double click on that to install it. So once you double click, you will see this pop-up window. All you have to do now is drag the Google Chrome icon into the application folder and release. Simple as that. And that's going to start the installation process. Now, depending on the speed of your internet, it might take a while, but usually it doesn't take too long. Now, once it's complete, you can now close this and then close the downloads folder. So now you've finished installing Google Chrome. Let's go ahead and launch it. So to launch it, simply go to Spotlight and type Chrome. And now you should see Google Chrome. Double click on it and we're now launching Google Chrome for the first time. So that is basically how to download Chrome. Now, for the first time, it's going to ask you that this is an app created by the app Safari. Are you sure you want to open it? So just click on open. And then it's going to welcome you to Chrome. Click OK. And then there you go. So you can choose to keep Safari as your default browser or change to Chrome. That's up to you. But that is Google Chrome on your MacBook Neo. There you go. So if you want to, you can now sign in with your account and proceed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.